He says, was anyone called while circumcised? Let him not become uncircumcised. And he turns it around. Was anyone called while uncircumcised? Let him not be circumcised. Why? He says circumcision is nothing, and uncircumcision is nothing, but keeping the commandments of God is what matters. So is that physical condition the be-all and end-all of everything? He says no. No, really, to God, that's pretty meaningless. His concern and his focus is how we live our lives. Does God expect us to keep the commandments? Well, I don't know how any clearer you could possibly be than what he says here. Keeping the commandments of God is what matters. This is absolutely critical because it shows your spiritual intention. I want to obey God. I want to follow God. I want to do what's right in His eyes. And so are our circumstances all that matter? Remain in the calling in which you were called. Verse 20 reminds us of that.